Hello, I'm James Foxall, President and CEO of Tigerpaw Software. I am here with another video in our series to help you run a better business and sleep better at night. The topic today is projects. We're very proud of our project management feature in Tigerpaw. It is purpose-built specifically for those of you out there selling and implementing technology services. Today, Tony's going to talk about some topics such as multiple locations on a project, all the different things that you can attach to a project, which includes service orders and tasks and quotes. And he's going to talk about project phases, which are a critical piece for keeping everything aligned and everything on time. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Tony, and I'll just leave you with the fact that we are very grateful that you choose us as your partner, and we appreciate this opportunity to, again, help you run a better business and sleep better at night.
Thank you, James. The project functionality in Tigerpaw was built from the ground up with project managers in mind. It serves as a one-stop shop for accessing and reviewing everything going on with large-scale jobs, including all quotes, tasks, service orders, time logs, purchase orders, and invoices. We've also built robust phase and subphase functionality to keep you on schedule. Finished a particular phase of a project early or late? No problem. We can adjust the completion date automatically based on current progress. In this video, we will discuss how a Tigerpaw project can help you ensure everything is completed correctly, stay on schedule, and keep within budget. To get started, let's head over to Tigerpaw. Creating a new project is as easy as going to an account in Tigerpaw, selecting the New button, and clicking New Project. If an account already has a project, it will display within the Summary section of the account. This account already has a project, so I will click on Open Projects, opening a window displaying all the projects created for this account. I will double-click on this In Process project to open it. On the top of this view, I see all the pertinent information about this project, like the project name, priority, status, estimated completion date, primary account information, the projected end date, and the project team, or everyone that has anything to do with this project. The tabs along the lower half of this view are where the real magic of a project lives, though, starting with the Accounts tab. A Tigerpaw project can be created to track work across multiple related accounts or sites if needed. The only requirement is that the accounts are first related in Tigerpaw. Once that's completed, I can simply click Link to a related account here and choose all of the sites where work will have to be done to complete this project. This will give me the ability to link all related quotes, tasks, service orders, invoices, time logs, and purchase orders created against these accounts to this project. I can also click Add Template to quickly populate this project with a pre-created template. These templates are created in the master tables, where you can create a project template complete with scope, phases, subphases, checklist items, estimated timeframes, and notes. Once you have phases and records, like quotes, service orders, and tasks linked to a project, you can see everything from the Project Plan tab, providing one-click access to any corresponding record. Moving on to the Scope tab, I have a free type field available to me to enter the overall scope of this project. This helps answer in-scope versus out-of-scope questions that may arise while completing this job. Next is the Phases tab. This tab allows me to add phases and subphases to this project. I can then create phase dependencies so that Tigerpaw can adapt the schedule based on actual work completed. Let's take a closer look at a phase. I will double-click on the Design phase here, opening the phase detail. Each phase in Tigerpaw can have a specific status and assigned rep. It is also where I will plan labor hours, set warning thresholds for those hours, assign specific budget information, and estimate expenses. It can be tied to a specific account or all accounts listed on the project, and it has a checklist on the right panel that serves as a project manager's official sign-off that these required items were completed. As I check off items, the % complete field automatically updates. I also have a convenient field for notes specific to this phase, here, and this note field supports URLs. So if I wanted to throw a URL to an important document into this phase, I could do so here, ensuring that information is always just one click away. Let's say I complete this phase today, 4 days after my estimated completion date. Tigerpaw will prompt me, asking if I'd like to change the dates on all dependent phases. I have an option to say yes or no. If I say yes, all of the dates assigned to future phases are adjusted, and my projected project completion date is adjusted as well. Appropriately leveraging this functionality enables me to ensure everything gets done that needs to get done, but also keeps me on schedule. Since the actual work that goes into this project will be performed outside the project, we've linked all relevant documents to this project view. The Tasks tab shows all tasks assigned to this project and any linked record. The Service Orders tab shows all service orders linked to this project. This is what my technicians are working to complete the project, and I'm a click away from reviewing and verifying their work. The Quotes tab displays all quotes and change orders created for this project, and the Invoices tab displays all invoices created for this project, either from service orders or progressively through the project itself. The Time Logs tab displays all time logs created against the service orders linked to this project, and the Purchasing tab displays all purchase orders created to obtain parts for this project. Everything I need to ensure this project is moving along is right here, a double click away. Now it's time to talk about the financial side of the project. The Project Summary tab keeps me up to date on the financial health of this project. From managing the customer-approved budget to my own expense budget, even setting warning thresholds that notify me when we are getting close to the set budgets. I have a labor budget I can review and summary totals letting me know how much of the budgets are left. I can even quickly see the quoted sale, cost, and profit versus the service order and posted sale, cost, and profit, allowing me to see if what I thought I was going to profit at the time of quoting this job stays true. I can even see the breakdown between materials and labor in these columns. In this example, adjustments made while working this job have increased both my projected sale and cost, denoted by the SO sale and SO cost fields, increasing my overall profit. I'm still within my customer's approved budget though, so I'm good for now. Seeing this information allows me to quickly course correct if needed, preserving my bottom line. Additionally, if I tied specific quotes and service orders to phases, I could see this information broken down by phase on the Phase Summary tab. All the information I need to stay on budget and financially healthy can be easily obtained from a Tigerpaw project. In this video, I took you on a tour of a Tigerpaw project. If you are not leveraging this functionality within Tigerpaw but want to learn more, check out course T016 titled Working with Projects to get started.